In this video, I'll show you how to get Apollo.io for free. Alright, so the first stop is to go to Apollo.io, the website, and the link is in the description of this video. And that should bring you to this page here. Now, as you can see, it plainly says here that you can sign up for free, but you can actually use it pretty much for free as well with some limitations. So if we look here in the pricing section, you can see that the free version allots you 1,200 credits per user per year, and you're limited to 2 sequences and some very basic filters. Alright, let's head back over to that main page. Another thing to note is that if you are not a business, you need to use sign up with Google or sign up with Microsoft. If you are a business, you can enter your business email address here. Now, signing up is incredibly straightforward. Just follow the prompt. So if I were to hit sign up with Google, I would just need to pick a Google account that I want to use and then hit continue, and immediately I'll be signed up. And there's just a few starter prompts that you need to follow. Pick which option best describes you. For this, I'll choose that I'm just exploring. And what is your level of experience? As well as the option to invite teammates. If you don't want to invite anyone, just hit skip. Now, perhaps not crucial, but if you want to sort of integrate this with your browser and LinkedIn, you can just use the download the Chrome extension option here, and that'll download the extension, which will make an overlay that you can use in LinkedIn, for instance. When you're done here, you can just hit continue. And that is pretty much it. It'll run you through a tutorial, a quick one, just on a few things you can find inside of Apollo.io. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.